science division, we have automotive technology, diesel technology, welding technology, machining. We have advanced manufacturing, which is automation and robotics, HVAC, which is heating, ventilation, air conditioning, and refrigeration, architecture, construction management, and not located in this building, but within our division, we also have the computer information technology, which has web design, cybersecurity, networking degrees. We have criminal justice and paralegal law programs. I see a lot of students into the automotive program. Everyone has a car. They want to learn how to take care of it. So they come to us wanting to learn how to work on their car, but then get ingrained and stay in the industry. Welding is always popular. I think that's because it's a strong, there's always strong hiring in that field. And also the fire, which is very cool. Our advanced manufacturing is very popular. It's because it's growing in the area and there's a lot of interest in it. And finally, I would say that the criminal justice program has stayed very strong, even with the recent events. And I find that's because I talk to the students and they really want to make a difference. So I think that program will continue to grow. The architecture program, it's in demand field. The students, they have a very active student club, and they take on a real life project every semester. So they're always out in the community doing a real life project. You know, technical sciences really is life skills. A lot of the skill sets you learn in the technical sciences are transferable into your actual life, or your friend's life, or your family's life. So that's really cool. And then again, the opportunity for expansion. So my career path was a little unusual. I was actually a community college student myself in electrical and automation technology. And that led me to a job writing, which led me to my next degree. And ultimately, I ended up in administration. So it really wasn't a linear career path. But that's what I tell students all the time, is when you study to be a welder, an automotive technician, or a machinist, it doesn't mean you're always going to be in that role. There's going to be opportunities to move into management and supervision and sales and all kinds of things. In addition to the technical skills that we teach students, employers are really interested in getting students that are ready to go when they land on the job. And that includes communication skills, teamwork, problem solving, and just employability skills like getting there on time and being dressed correctly and whatnot. So we integrate those elements into our programs. All of our instructors in our division have applied experience in that industry that they're teaching in. So they really can tell students what it's going to be like in the workplace and have them prepared. And I would say absolutely our students are ready to go to work. And we have some programs that the students are actually recruited out of the program prior to their graduation. It doesn't matter where you go in the college. We're all here to help you succeed. So I think that really makes the college unique. For undecided students, I really encourage students to come take a tour of our center, because students may come in thinking they want to be a machinist, but then they get in the welding lab and there's just, it's a spark. It's like their home. And so I really think that seeing the environment helps students decide where their passion lies. Think about what you're going into, because you're going to be working a good long time. And so try to find something that sparks your interest, because that's going to make getting through more enjoyable, and it's gonna feel easier. And also do the career research. So if you're thinking about being an automotive technician, go out and see how many jobs are on Indeed and what they're actually going to pay. So really know what you're getting into. Going to school in life, it's two things that are very hard to mix together. But I would encourage them to take it seriously, and they're paying to be here, whether it's through financial aid or out of pocket. Take it seriously, do your best. Our instructors are willing to work with you. If you show the effort, they will bend over backwards to help you. And then if you have some unexpected thing come up in your life, an illness, a fire, a car breakdown, they will work with you to try to get through the classes. So don't just give up. Don't just walk away because something happens. Talk to your instructors. I think I want students to know that we are actually here for them, and that sometimes they say, well, I don't want to bother you, or please bother us. Please call us, please email us, and we're here to help you succeed. And come in for a tour if you're interested in learning more about technical sciences.